welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty chocolate brown water wave wig unit sent from Ashimaryhair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. As you guys can see, the hair is super fluffy and full, just how I like it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look on camera today, so just stay tuned for that. The specs are on the screen. I'm just showing you guys the inside of the packaging. I reviewed for this hair company maybe 5 to 6 times, so I'm very familiar with their wig quality, wig style, and things of that such, and it's really good along with their packaging. So let's go ahead and get started. Or my camera just shut off. So yeah. I'm not going to rip this off because if I rip it off, it's going to turn white and then I'll have to wash my wig and stuff like that. So I'm not going to take it off. However, all I did was use this lace bonding spray to melt my wig, and that's all I did. And of course, I did tint my lace with this Ruby Kisses. And I used both of the colors, and that's all I did. And then I realized that I wasn't recording. So this hair is pretty damp. I'm going to wet it a little bit more. There is nothing in here except for water. Usually I come on camera with my hair already curl defined. However, this company wanted me to show this hair completely wet, which makes my process longer than what it needs to be. My filming process. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet this hair. Spritz it just a little bit, and I'm going to be wearing it on the side, I believe, today. Just gonna go through with my curl defining brush. I already went through it when I drenched it in water. This was the hair that came out of it. I'm about to go through it just one more time. The reason why I don't come on camera with my hair like this is because I don't like how it looks. I don't like the wet hair thing. It's just a little too flat for me. There is no product in this hair. I am strictly using water. I don't like for my hair to look way down or feel way down either. So I don't put product in my hair, you guys. When I curl define it, I strictly use water, and I use this brush here. It is in my Amazon storefront. You guys always ask what it is that I do to have my hair so fluffy. Stop putting all that product in your hair. Okay. And just let it air dry outside. I'm probably not going to do a part today because I don't really like to do parts with my hair either, especially if it doesn't have a big enough parting space on the side. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I can go this far back on the side, and then I'm going to show you guys the middle. This is the middle, and this is how far back I can go in the middle. So this is how the hair looks wet. Cut into this wig, which you would probably have to. You have to be very careful where you're cutting because this wig unit has those clear adjustable strap little plastic thingies. So if you cut too far into this wig unit, you will cut the plastic elastic bands. So just make sure you're paying attention to where you're cutting. You have to cut into this wig unit if you want to tuck your hair behind your ear. I say this in kind of like all my hair videos, because this is like a 360 wig unit. You're definitely going to have to cut into it, you guys. So if you are wanting to know more features of this wig unit, it does come with the pre-cut lace. You can achieve a glueless install. It has the bleached knots, and it does come with the INVISISTRAPs. Now the INVISISTRAP feature is something that's not really new. I reviewed it multiple times within like the past 2 years or so, you guys, and for me, that feature is more for people who like to wear their hair in ponytails, in my opinion. I'm a girl who likes to wear her hair lax, so it doesn't really do anything for me. The only thing that I would really do as far as a ponytail would probably be like a claw clip. But I don't mind the INVISISTRAP feature because it is thinner than the elastic band. And also, if you were to put your hair up into a claw clip, you don't have the big elastic band running across your nape. Instead, you can tighten the INVISISTRAPs and tuck them in and hide them very, very easily. So I just like that it's kind of like undetectable, and again, it is clear and transparent, and you can barely see it and things of that such. So at the end of this video, I did show you guys tightening and showing you guys what it kind of looks like or whatever, whatnot. Again, this is like my 6th video doing one of these hair videos, so I know this whole thing. So I'm just taking my Dyson and blow drying my hair just a little bit more. If you guys are wanting any of the products that I use, they are linked in my Amazon storefront. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Highly recommend that you guys go in and curl define your hair and let it air dry outside, or just leave it alone, okay? But for the sake of this hair video, this is what I came up with. It's still fluffy and still like really pretty, you guys. I just prefer to get that nice coil with it being air dried outside. So that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back.